A tank is trying to attack Ukrainian positions. At the same time, an AFU drone stops it, and it is immobilized in an open field. The red rag of the Soviet flag develops over the hit tank. The last APC is trying to escape, but the Ukrainian drone will not let it do so, and will put an end to this attack. These soldiers have been informed of the impending Russian assault. The Ukrainians develop a defense plan in advance. They have to resist the armored vehicles. As a result of this explosion, a fire broke out, scattering the detonated ammunition in waves in different directions. The fire burned all the ammunition to the ground.